So hello everyone, let's try to do some clash detection in Bonsai Blender 5.1.1. So here I have created a model, BIM model, IFC model to demonstrate this clash detection process. Basically what clash detection means is that there will be some design geometry conflicts in this BIM model, and for large BIM models, manual inspection of these conflicts. For example, here in this beam, a pipe segment is pierced into it. This is not a correct process or correct modeling, as it may affect the structural strength of this beam. So this pipe should not come here, it should come outside of the beam. If this is a small model, we can identify this sort of conflicts with manual inspection, but if it's a large model, we can't do it manually. So we must automate the process of detecting these clashes. This is called clash detection in BIM. So let's see how can we do clash detection here. In Bonsai, there is a dedicated tab for quality and coordination here, and in that we can see clash detection here, and inside that we can use these clash sets. So I'm clicking here and just click add clash set. So I'm renaming it as pipe clashes. So this is my new clash set, and for the mode I am selecting intersection. So I am creating a rule like if the pipe intersects with the beam anywhere, it will show as a clash. So let's try to identify these clashes automatically. So I'm going for tolerance, and I'm reducing the tolerance to 0. That means a small minute intersection will also be flagged. So I'm clicking check all here, and we need to provide two groups, group A and group B. Group A should have some elements, group B should have some elements, and we will check group A elements is group A elements intersecting with group B elements. So let's add group A element, add clash source here. For source IFC, just select the current file. I have saved it in desktop, clash.ifc. I'm selecting it, and in this all elements, just select include and add a filter for add search group, and select IFC class and add filter. Just type IFC pipe segment. So you may think from where did I get that IFC pipe segment. So I'm creating a new window here and going for properties, and here in the scene properties, object information tab, when we select this pipe, we can see the class of this pipe. It is IFC pipe segment, and when we select this beam, we can see it is IFC beam. So in group A, I will be providing IFC pipe segment, while in group B, just select this beam model here and go for include, then filter, add search group, a class, and IFC beam here. So the settings are okay. Then you can check this create snapshots to create the snapshots of these clashes we have detected. So we need to create an export path here. Basically, an export path means we should create a BCF file, that is building collaboration format. For that, just select this export path, and we need to create a file. I am just selecting pipe clash.bcf, and I am click accept. So we have created the export path here, and just click execute IFC clash. So the clash detection has been performed, and we have found 3 clashes. So manually we have found out 1 clash with this beam, but there are actually 3 clashes. So let's find out what are these 3. So if we select this first clash and select clash, we see that there is a pipe hiding inside a beam here. So this may not be easily found out in manual inspection, but clash detection finds it. So here there is a protrusion of 242 mm here, And the second clash we find is this: there's a small clash here with a PS of 500 mm. Basically 500 mm is this width of the beam through which this pipe has been pierced. The third clash we have detected is this one we already manually inspected. So this is how clash detection is done. So basically, as an output, we created a pipe clash.bcf file. This file can be shared to anyone, a BIM manager, BIM coordinator, etc. So they can also see these clashes and do the needful. So let's see how can they open this BCF file. So let's select a new AFC project here, a new metric project. So this is a blank window. So blank project. I'm going for the quality and coordination tab here. Then here in collaboration there is a BCF project. So if we select here and select load project, let's load this pipe clash.bcf we created earlier. So I'm selecting this and load BCF project. So if we look at here, these three clashes we identified has been listed out here, and there is the provision for project name, author email. This is a default email here. We can also edit this BCF and send it to the required BIM coordinators, etc. So if we look here in this BCF viewpoint, there is viewpoint 1. If we just activate this camera here, we can see a snapshot has been created of which was of the clashes we have detected previously. So this is basically a PNG or an image file that has been embedded in this BCF. So if I am selecting the second clash and activating this view, it will create a snapshot of the second clash we have created earlier. So this is how we can do clash detection and export the BCF file for easy BIM coordination. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more about OpenBIM, open source BIM workflows, please do follow my channel.